Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam.
Wa alaikum assalam.
Your name?
Maya Madibaya.
Mubarak Abdul Qadir.
Okay, so basically what I'm doing now is that I'm going to ask you guys 10 questions. It's going to be like I'm trying to between both of you. So if I person to respond to most of the questions, it's going to win something for me. Are you ready?
Yes.
So you have to be fast about it. When I ask you, say it quickly. So yeah, let's go. The first question is, what's the meaning of the word Qur'an?
Light. No.
The word of Allah.
Nope, you're almost there, boy. You're almost there. Alright, which Arabic word can you get correct?
Reading from.
MashaAllah, you have got cinema here. Where was the Quran first revealed?
In Makkah.
Makkah, yeah, this is what I got you first. Okay, let's go. On which night was the Quran first revealed? MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Who revealed the Quran? Nope.
Who revealed it?
Who revealed the Quran?
Allah to Allah.
MashaAllah. Through whom was the Quran revealed? Through
Jibril.
Yeah, he's faster than you. He's faster than you. To whom was the Quran revealed?
Like Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
What's the problem? What is it? What age was Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam when the Quran was first revealed?
40.
40. Listen now. Where was the first surah revealed?
In Cave Wood. Cave Era.
Yeah, where is Kafira?
In Makkah.
Makkah, yeah. Where was the last surah revealed?
The last surah. Medina.
MashaAllah. Last question. How long did Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam receive the revelation of the Quran in Medina?
That's for 40 years.
How long did Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam receive the revelation of the Quran in Medina?
In Medina, 23.
That should be wait. When he left,
It was 40 before he became the prophet.
So
And
after 10 years, or is it 13 years? When did he migrate to Medina? And when did he die?
He was 63 before when he died. That would be 20 years.
That's 10. 10 years.
MashaAllah. What's your name?
Baraka.
So Baraka won.
Mariam.
Mariam. Oh, so I'm going to give in Sister Baraka a gift. So this is the first gift I've taken. This is a pen perfume. Okay, and I'm going to give you a token of one small token. This is it. Oh yeah, cool now. Yes, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. It's your guy Basmad, and I'm back again with another interesting video. And it's time for us to be Qur'anly. So in this video, I'm going to be challenging people in groups. I'm going to ask them questions relating to the Quran. So the person that answers most of the questions is going to get a gift from me. So you guys will stay tuned and enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let's go!
Wa alaikum salam.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam.
Your name?
Abdul Qayyum.
Qayyum, your name?
Ibrahim.
Ibrahim. MashaAllah. So I'm Qayyum and Ibrahim. So are you guys ready?
Okay.
Okay, so the first question is, how many years do you take for the complete evolution of the Quran?
25.
Huh?
20.
Correct. 23, okay. Tell me 3 names of the Quran.
At-Tanzil, Al-Huda, Al-Furqan.
Al-Furqan. You said Al-Furqan, say that word.
Al-Huda, Al-Furqan, At-Tanzil, Al-Kitab.
Al-Kitab, mashallah. From which surah was the first 5 verses of the Quran revealed?
Surah Al-Iqra.
That's not the name.
Surah Al-Alaq.
Say it first. Listen to this one. This is very, very simple. Which is the longest surah of the Quran?
Backward.
Say it first. Which is the smallest chapter of the Quran?
Surah Al-Kawthar.
Kawthar, say it first. Which chapter of the Quran is to be read compulsorily in each rakah? MashaAllah. Who was the only woman that was mentioned in the Quran?
Aisha.
Maryam. How many Makkah surahs are in the Quran? Makki surahs in the Quran.
Makkiyah Surah.
Do you know it? Okay, let me tell you, 86. How many ajza in the Quran?
How many?
Ajza, juzu, 30. Okay. Who is the first hafiz of the Quran?
The first,
Hafiz of the Quran.
the prophets.
MashaAllah, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam the Quran. That is, who is the man that Allah said that in the Quran that his body is kept as an admonition example for future generation? You said this was fair. MashaAllah, MashaAllah. So yeah, for getting my questions correctly, I have a gift for you. This is for you.
Wow.
Thank you.
Me, I don't choose.
And for participating, let me just give you something. I give you for participating.
This is a
This is just for you. This is by.
At least I don't come him.
Now, Jazakallah khair. Sounds like Wakatu. I'm with your name?
Rukia Mogaji. Sorry, Kaisha.
Ramlabi Hakim.
Rodiya Adigola.
Mashallah. Okay, so basically, are you guys ready for this? Are you ready? Okay, let's go. So, it's very simple actually, but what we're looking at here is accuracy. So just listen. Okay, now, the first question. What's the first surah of the Qur'an? Let me ask again. I didn't even I got the question. Okay, let me ask again. What's the first surah of the Qur'an? I'll call that person. I'll call that again. So, now, what's the last surah of the Qur'an? First person to get it. Okay, what surah is called the earth of the Qur'an? Yasin. Mashallah. Mashallah. Which surah of the Quran is the longest? Baqarah. I said the first. What's the shortest surah of the Quran? I said the first. What did you say? How many juz are in the Quran?
30.
3. How many verses are in the Quran?
66.
Again?
6,666.
Wrong?
6,676.
Nope.
66,666.
Nope.
666,000.
Don't give up. Don't give up.
66,666.
No.
6,666.
What are you saying?
6,666.
6,000?
666.
No. No. How many verses are in the Quran? How many verses?
666.
Nope. 6,000 something, yes. 6,000. Yes, yeah.
There is 2,266.
You're almost there.
6,266.
No. You're almost there.
6,268. No. 6,220.
Okay, let me just say the answer is 6,236. Yeah, that's it. Okay, it's very, very simple. Listen. Which surah of the Quran does not begin with Bismillah? You got it first. Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Oh yeah, now sister, let's go. I'm ready.
I'm not fasting.
Okay, in what surah of the Quran is the word Bismillah repeated twice? Wait, what do you say?
I said
Nal. What do you say? Naml. You say Nahal. She's correct correctly. Namli, not Nahal. Which surah is defined by God as a prayer? You said it first. You said it. Yes. Name. First person to name 5 angels mentioned in the Quran.
Mikael, Israfil, Munkar, Nakib, Al-Maut.
Mashallah, Malakul Maut. Okay. You have gotten how many questions? 4. 1. This is the last one. Wait. You know, for what is that? You can get like 4 more questions, and you're not getting it, and you still win them. So next one. Next one. How many surahs of the Quran are named after the Prophet and mention them?
Named after the prophets.
Yes.
Lukman, Nuh, Ibrahim, Hud, Yusuf, Yunus.
Name one. Just mention one more. Lukman. Say it again. Mention them again.
Nuh,
Hud.
Yusuf, Yunus, Ibrahim.
One more. How do you know that one?
Muhammad.
Mashallah. Okay. This is for you first. Tell this one first. Mashallah for you. And when you're doing now, I'm going to give you this. Thank you very much. Jazakallah khairan. Now, Assalamu alaikum.